everyone! Today, I'm here with a simple tutorial that many of you have been asking about. How can you remove your profile picture from Facebook? It's easier than you think. So, let's dive in. First things first, grab your smartphone and open up the Facebook app. Got it? Then, now, towards the top right corner of the screen, you should see three horizontal lines. That's your menu icon. Give it a tap. Your profile information will come into view. Among these details, you'll notice your name. Tap on it to navigate to your main profile page. Right at the top, dominating your profile is your profile picture. It's the picture that represents you on Facebook. To make changes to it, simply tap on it. This action enlarges your profile picture, giving you a clearer view. Now, for the magic step, in the top right corner of the screen, there are three tiny dots. These dots are essentially your gateway to more options. Go on and tap them. You might be wondering what's next. Well, the most straightforward way to get rid of your profile picture is just to delete it. Spot the delete photo option in the drop down. And you're done. You successfully navigated the process and removed your profile picture from your Facebook account. So that's all. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye.